Bulamanaka and Sinchun Hukwa. I wish to extend my best wishes to China and Chinese people everywhere as they celebrate the Chinese New Year. According to the traditional Chinese zodiac, 2021 is the year of the ox. The ox is a valued animal throughout the world and a symbol of strength, steadfastness, teamwork, and prosperity, which should inspire us in 2021. This year will require all nations to cooperate as never before to defeat the global COVID pandemic and seriously confront the crisis of climate change together. Fiji and China have enjoyed friendly and productive relations over the years. Let us forge ahead in the year of the ox to build a better future for our two countries, for Asia and the Pacific, and for the world as well. And while we may celebrate apart for now, we in Fiji look forward to the day we can be together and work together once again. Vinaka Bagalevu and Shai Shai.